Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Of course, the links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from Discover. They have a whole banking system. Not only do they offer credit cards, but they offer checking, savings, retirements, all the things. And they are hiring a customer service representative. Now, this is remote for only a few select states. They're Utah, Arizona, Ohio, and Delaware. Please leave down in the comments below if you want me to continue to share things that are only for select states. Now, I know this might not help out everyone, but I was hoping to at least help out someone. I am trying to revamp my channel a little bit and gear towards being helpful. So, of course, if you have any suggestions on things I could improve on or do differently on, any comments at all on the way that I share these job leads, please leave them down in the comments below. I am trying to learn and grow and be as helpful to you as I can. But with that being said, this is a fabulous opportunity if you live in one of those states because they are not requiring any experience whatsoever. They are going to fully train you. Their training classes start in April. But they are looking for someone to do basic customer service. You'll spend the majority of your shift on the phone taking inbound calls, speaking with customers, listening to their concerns, and assisting them with online navigation of the website and providing them with the best solutions. So customer care is key. They're going to provide you with all the procedures and tools to handle the customer's needs and help strengthen their relationship with Discover. Now, as far as not requiring any degree, not requiring any experience, they're looking for someone who can be reliable. They're looking for someone who will always be willing to make things better for their customers, be resilient with a positive attitude. It does say you get bonus points if you have 1 year of experience in a related field, but that is not required. Now, as far as pay and benefits go, they're paying anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $20.40 an hour. On top of that, they're giving you $500 allowance to cover the cost of setting up a home office, and they're also paying you every month $60 to go towards your internet service. It depends on where you live. If you live in a higher cost of living area, $60 may not cover it, but $60 would cover my full internet cost where I live. Now, they also offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, your training classes that start in April, the times will be different based on the states you live in, but they have the whole training schedule listed. All right, as always, thank you so much if you've made it to the end of this video for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.